So I'm John from Key Largo Shutters, and we are in sunny Hornchurch at the moment. I'm currently fitting a window slip and a bay shutter. So the window slip itself is something that extends the current windowsill to give the shutter the look that it's sitting on its own windowsill rather than just floating in mid-air. They are very awkward to do. They are all made from the same material, so it's all hardwood. It's all painted at the same time as the shutter, so it's all the same colour. They are tricky because you have to cut individual segments for the bay and match that angle in. There's not many places that will actually do this. There's only one supplier of window slips that you can get, and then we're one of the only companies that will actually truly bespoke a window sill to make sure the shutter looks perfect when it's installed. The reason for doing this is the look is that much better. Instead of just sticking a shutter onto a very small sill and just looks like it's floating there, so you know the shutter will still look half good, but it just looks like it doesn't belong. Whereas as soon as you put the window slip on, that it just elevates the whole space because it gives it like it's always been there. It looks like it should have been, and that's how it should have been. It's the whole point of extending the window slip, is to give that much more of a finished product and a more elegant sort of look. You know, we're very proud of what we do. I enjoy what I do, and we're very meticulous in our approach to make sure that every finish is spot on for every room and every customer. I treat every job as if it was my own house and how I'd want it to be finished.